Alright, so I'm on the Victoria Rail Trail just north of Burnt River, and the sun is going down. It looks like it's going to be a pretty nice night. There's some clouds in the sky, so hopefully we get some purples and some pinks and some oranges, but there's actually a wall of cloud coming in, so hopefully it might be a bust. It might be. But right now it's beautiful. I hope the wind stays up because the mosquitoes are killing me. It has potential. It has potential. But I only have one tripod, so I'm going to have to take the video camera off and put the Nikon on. I don't know why I only brought one tripod. Yeah, we're going to get some cloud cover here, so hopefully it blows over, because we've got maybe I'm not sure what time it is, probably an hour and a half before sunset. We can only hope. I should try to put the drone up before I lose the sun totally. Bugs. Last time I put this up, it didn't work, but my controller was less than 30% charged, and I'm pretty sure that's what the issue was. The video you're about to see is a cached image from my cell phone, because my drone is in the bottom of the Burnt River along with the files, and the cached image is not nearly as nice as it should be, but I'm just devastated at the loss of the files, because between this flight and the flight that I did the next day, I think I got some beauty videos, and I still haven't got my drone back. It's been this happened back in June, and it's now August, and I'm waiting for my my drone to come back from DJI Care Refresh, and hopefully I'll get that before I go on my holidays in 2 weeks' time. But you can see how the image is glitchy, and this would have been just gorgeous in 4K. This is a storm front. That was a storm front coming across the from the west. I actually got soaking wet on the way home because of that storm. And I got some good photography. It was just a beautiful night. That image right there with the reflection in the water. And another one with the reflection in the water. I may have to dive down to the bottom of the Burnt River just to get the chip. Here the sun is just peeking out behind that storm front, and it just lit up. And unbelievable the footage I've lost because my drone went down in the Burnt River. So I got my drone flight in. It's going to be a spectacular sunset, I think. So I got to get the Nikon out. And the sun's starting to peek through the clouds again. And when it does, it's going to light everything up. Light up my life. That's kind of cool. All right. Time to put the video camera away and put the Nikon on.